Hello, this is Dr. Hui Liu from San Jose, California, United States. My email is ibridgepy@gmail.com. ibridgepy is an easy-to-use Python platform to help traders to build algorithm trading robots. It can backtest and live trade with interactive brokers, Robinhood, and TD Ameritrade. You can download ibridgepy from www.ibridgepy.com. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel because more tutorials are coming. In this tutorial, I'm going to introduce a new ibridgepy function called Showtime stamp. This is a new feature in ibridgepy. You can use this feature to know how fresh a price of a security is. The price of security that can be used for this function are included the following values: ask price, bid price, last price, open, high, low, close. Also, I'm going to give you an example of showing today's open price of a security. So let's go to ibridgepy and take a look about the detail about this function. Let's go to ibridgepy and go to documentation. And this one is get info. And let's go back. So this one is show timestamp right there. So show timestamp has two input parameters. The first one is a security. This one is a security object. It can be created by symbol or super symbol. The second parameter is called just parameter, which is a string. And you can put the following strings into this method to get the timestamp. This timestamp is when the price of this security was received by ibridgepy, so that you can compare your local server time and with this timestamp to know how fresh this price is. I know it's a little bit confusing. Let's go to an example. So we have an example called example show account info. Oh, sorry, this is the previous one. Let's go to this one, example show timestamp. Okay, in this example, I'm going to give you the sample code of show open price today. So for example, you want to get open price. For example, let's say you want to get open price of SPY of today. And then after you get open price, for example, you can place an order at open price, then do whatever you want using that price. However, to get the open price is a little bit tricky, because if you run your code continuously, ibridgepy will receive open price from broker continuously. For example, in US market, the market opened at 9:30 a.m. in the morning. And if you run your code continuously, the open price ibridgepy received might be the previous day, the open price of the previous day instead of today. So that to get the accurate open price of today, what you need to do is compare the timestamp of the open price with the market open time. This is how it's done in this function. This function is called show open price today. the input parameter is a security, which is security object. What it does is first get the current server time using get date time and save it, call it S time. And then I want to know that US market open time today. What I'm doing is replace the S time, the hour, minute, and second, so that I have the market open time of today. And then I request the timestamp. For example, I want the timestamp of open price. Then I got a timestamp. The next part is to compare. If the timestamp is available and the timestamp is greater than market open time, which means I receive the open price from broker after today's market open time, which means the open price is fresh and after today's open price and is today's open price instead of yesterday's open price. If I have that price, then I call the typical way of getting a price is show real-time price and give it open. So this is the code. Otherwise, it will return -1, which means it's not a valid number in Average.py. And in this example, I want to request 2 contracts. The first one is SPY. My local time is 4:03 p.m. Pacific time, and the market is closed already. However, today is a trading day. I should have received an open price because today is market is trading day actually. As comparison, I also request open price of a forex, which is euro to USD dollar. However, in forex, there's no concept of open price, so that I should not receive an open price when I call this show open price today. So it should show -1 all the time. Here, I want to continuously to run handle data so that you can see what the changes and the comparison. To separate individual run, I want to print the server time by get date time. Let's go to runme.py and change the function name is show time stamp and run it. So you can see I got the open price of SPY and I got -1 because there's no open price concept-wise for Forex, so that I always got -1. And today's open price is just the same because I just get one price and just print out. And this is the way to use show time price. In summary, this function is used to check how fresh the price is. Most of the time, the ask price, bid price is very fresh, so it's not critical to check the freshness. However, for open price, or high or low or close are possible the prices you want to check the freshness. Thank you very much. For any questions, please send an email to ibridgepy@gmail.com. If you need any help on coding, please check out our well-known Run a Coder service. More tutorials are coming. Please don't forget to subscribe. iBridgePy is an easy-to-use Python platform to backtest and live trading. Thank you very much.